Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel where I review the best software deals for entrepreneurs and marketers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can skyrocket your email marketing results with GoZen Growth, a powerful tool that helps you boost email deliverability using automatic warm-up, smart campaign features, and post notifications. And the best part is you can get a lifetime access to GoZen Growth for a fraction of the regular price on AppSumo, okay? But before we dive into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you want to check out GoZen Growth for yourself, you can find the link in the description box below, okay? So let's talk about what is GoZen Growth and why you need it. Well, if you are like me, you probably use email marketing as one of your main channels to communicate with your audience, promote your products or services, and generate sales, right? But email marketing is not as easy as it seems. You have to deal with spam filters, low open rates, bounce rates, and other issues that can affect your email deliverability and performance. That's where GoZen Growth comes in. GoZen Growth is a cloud-based software that helps you improve your email deliverability and increase your open rates by using a combination of automatic warm-ups, smart campaign features, and post notifications, okay? And the best part is you can get lifetime access to GoZen Growth for a one-time payment thanks to AppSumo. GoZen Growth is currently available on AppSumo for a limited time, and you can choose from 5 license tiers depending on your needs. These are amazing prices considering that GoZen Growth normally charges $9 per month for the starter plan and $25 per month for the essential plan and $99 per month for the professional plan, okay? That means you can save up to 93% of the regular price if you act fast and grab this deal before it expires. So now let's come back to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of GoZen Growth, and this is the main screen that you see when you log in into GoZen Growth, okay? It gives you an overview of your email marketing metrics such as total contacts. This is the number of contacts that you have in your GoZen Growth account. Contacts are people who have subscribed to your email list or who have interacted with your emails in some way, okay? Then total active subscribers. This is the number of contacts who have opened or clicked on your emails in the last 30 days. Active subscribers are more likely to engage with your offers, content, or updates and are more valuable for your email marketing. You can use GoZen Growth to segment your active subscribers and send them personalized and relevant messages to increase their conversions and retention. Then unsubscribed. This is the number of contacts who have opted out of your email list by clicking on the unsubscribe link in your emails. Unsubscribers are inevitable in email marketing, but you can use GoZen Growth to reduce them by sending high quality and valuable emails and respecting your subscribers' preferences and privacy. Next is bounced. This is the number of contacts who have not received your emails because they were rejected by the email providers due to various reasons such as invalid email addresses, full inboxes, or spam filters. Bounces can negatively affect your email deliverability and reputation, so you should use GoZen Growth to clean your email list and remove any bounced contacts to improve your email performance, okay? The new sign up. This is the number of contacts who have joined your email list in the last 7 days. Then recent campaigns. This is a list of your most recent email campaigns, okay? So then click on this email accounts. So GoZen Growth allows you to connect multiple email accounts to your GoZen Growth account, so you can manage all your email campaign activities from one place. You can connect any email account that supports IMAP or SMTP protocols, or you can connect your Google account. Then click on this smart campaign. So this feature helps you create and optimize your email campaigns with minimal effort. You can use smart campaign to reach your target audience, increase your open rates, and boost your conversions. You can see here are 2 ways to create a smart campaign. The first one is create with AI. This option allows you to create your email campaigns using GoZen Growth's artificial intelligence. You just need to provide some information about your campaign, such as the name, the number of emails, the topic, and the detailed description, okay? GoZen Growth will then generate the email content for you based on your information and best practices. You can review and edit the email content before launching your campaign, or you can create your own campaigns manually using the Smart Campaign Editor. You can write your own email content, choose your own keywords, themes, and select your own settings. You can also preview how your email campaigns will look on different devices and platforms. In this demo video, I'm going to show you how to use these AI options to create a smart campaign. Okay, so let's click on it. Then you will be taken to this page. So here you have to enter your campaign name, then number of emails. This is the number of emails that you want to include in your smart campaign. You can choose any number depending on how many emails you need to achieve your goals. For example, if you want to welcome new subscribers, you might need only one email, but if you want to nurture leads, you might need more emails, right? Next is topic. This is the main theme or idea that you want to cover in your smart campaign. You can choose any topic that is related to your business, product, service, or offer. For example, if you want to promote a new feature, you might choose a new feature announcement as your topic. Okay, then details. This is the detailed description of your topic, where you provide more information and context for your smart campaign. You can write as much as you want, but try to be clear and specific. For example, if your topic is new feature announcement, you might write something like this: we have just launched a new feature that allows you to create post notifications for your website visitors. This feature will help you increase your engagement and conversions by sending timely and relevant messages to your audience. In this email, we will show you how to use this feature and why you should try it today. Okay. So then tone. This is the emotional attitude that you want to express in your smart campaign. The tone will affect the language and style of your email content. For example, if you choose neutral, your email content will be more factual and objective. But if you choose positive, your email content will be more enthusiastic and optimistic. Then style. This is the level of formality that you want to use in your smart campaign. You can choose from a lot of options: casual, formal, academic, business, etc. The style will affect the word choice and sentence structure of your email content. For example, if you choose casual, your email content will be more friendly and conversational. But if you choose professional, your email content will be more polite and respectful. Okay. So next is language. This is the language that you want to use in your smart campaign. The language will affect the grammar and spelling of your email content. Okay. Then you need to click on this create button and your email will be ready. Okay. So next, click on this outreach. The outreach feature allows you to create and manage email campaigns for different purposes, such as lead generation, sales automation, and customer engagement. You can use the HTML templates and the drag and drop editor to design your emails, or let the AI assistant generate the content for you. Okay. You can also set up smart campaigns that use advanced algorithms and analytics to optimize your outreach efforts and drive conversions. And you need to click on this create campaign button to start a new email campaign from scratch or from a template. You can choose the type of campaigns such as cold outreach, newsletter, or follow-up, and configure the settings such as sender name, subject line, and recipients. You can also add personalized tokens such as first name to make your emails more relevant and human. The post notify button lets you send instant notifications to your audience through their web browsers or mobile devices. You can use this feature to share important updates, promotions, and announcements with your customers and drive traffic to your website or app. Okay, you can customize the content and timing of your post notifications and track their performance and engagement. Then click on this audience. So this feature of GoZen Growth allows you to manage your email subscribers and leads in one place. If you click on this create contact button, you can add a single contact manually by filling out their name, email, phone number, language, country, and state. So this is how you can create contact. Also, you can import multiple contacts from a CSV file or a third-party platform such as MailChimp and Optinly. You can map the columns of your data to the contacts fields and categorize the contacts by their email marketing state and list name. Also, you can export your contacts to a CSV file which you can download. Then click on this automation. The automation feature of GoZen Growth allows you to create and manage email automation workflows that perform actions based on triggers and conditions. So this start from scratch option allows you to create custom workflows from scratch. You can design the entire automation journey according to your specific needs and goals. Okay. Next is email outreach. This option provides pre-built automation journeys that are specifically designed for engaging customers through email. You can choose from these pre-built templates and customize them to suit your requirements. Then software. This option offers automation templates that are tailored for the software industry. These workflows are designed to help you engage with your target audience and build a successful business. They can also help you increase your conversion rate on new customers. Then e-commerce. This option offers automation templates that are tailored for the e-commerce industry. These workflows are designed to boost your sales and win back lost customers. They can help you increase customers' engagement, improve customer retention, and drive more revenue for your online store. Then the webhooks. This option allows you to send your contact data to GoZen automation through a webhook call. This can be useful if you want to integrate your existing systems or applications with GoZen automation for seamless data transfer and automation. Okay, so then click on this post notifications. So with this feature, you can create and manage list of subscribers who have opted in to receive post notifications from your website or app. And this new campaign button lets you create a new post notification campaign to send to your subscribers. You can choose from various templates and customize the content, timing, and audience of your post notifications. You can also track the performance and engagement of your campaigns using real-time analytics. Then you can click on this create list button to create a new list of subscribers based on various criteria such as email, name, status, language, country, or state. You can also import or export your contacts from or to a CSV file or a third-party platform. Okay. Then click on the sign up forms. This sign up forms feature of GoZen Growth allows you to create and embed sign up forms on your website or app and collect leads from your visitors. Okay. You can click on this install script to copy the script code that you need to paste into the HTML of your website or app in order to enable the sign up forms. This is a one-time installation that will allow you to create and display multiple sign up forms on your site or app. Okay, then if you click on this create form, you can create a new sign up form from scratch or from a template. You can choose the type of forms such as pop-up or embed and customize the design, content, and settings of your form. You can also set up the pop-up conditions such as when and how often to show the form to your visitors. Okay, then click on this template gallery. Here you can choose from hundreds of ready-made email templates that are personalized for different industries and goals. And you can select your industry from a list of major categories such as software, e-commerce, education, and much more. By choosing your industry, you can access the templates that are most relevant and effective for your niche, market, and audience. Then click on this list. So this feature allows you to create and manage list of contacts based on various criteria such as tags, segments, products, demographics, and customer behavior. And you can create a new list of contacts by clicking on this create list button and giving it a name and a description. Then click on this integration. So the integration feature allows you to connect your account with various third-party platforms and tools that can enhance your email marketing and automation capabilities. Okay, you can integrate your Shopify store with GoZen Growth and access powerful features that will help you boost your sales and revenue. You can sync your products, customers, and orders with GoZen Growth and create personalized email campaigns based on customer behavior such as abandoned carts, new orders, and profile updates. You can also track the performance and ROI of your campaigns using real-time analytics. Okay, also you can integrate your WooCommerce store with GoZen Growth. Also you can integrate with the Publi account. Okay, and that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this review of GoZen Growth and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and Leave a comment below letting me know what you think of GoZen growth or if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos where I review more awesome software deals for entrepreneurs and marketers. Okay, so thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.